Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our March challenge being hosted by both Becky and Kathy is to use a kit that they put together for the month of March. And then the second twist is to have a family member select about 5 products for each layout. But I'm going to do mine just a little bit different. I am going to actually ask someone in my family to put together 3 page kits using the products that Kathy and Becky sent me from Becky's stash. All right, so you see that she sent me this wonderful card that she made, and it says, "I'd totally share my TP with you." Isn't that perfect for sending somebody some scrappy supplies? And then she used some enamel dots. Love it. I won't share what she wrote inside. Then she wrapped everything in this beautiful tissue paper, and it came in a Close to My Heart box. Well, all 3 of us are Close to My Heart Makers consultants. And she wrapped everything in this beautiful tissue paper, so I can use that as well. So let me lift that up. We're going to look at this together for the first time. And then I have some pink tissue paper. So I have the flower tissue paper, and then I have some pink. Wow, look at that. All right, so now let me lift all this up and move the tissue paper so you won't be so distracted. And stuff might be twisted, turned, upside down, sideways. I just don't know. So I'm going to move to the side all the goodies in the bag. And it looks like I've got some ribbon here and some dolly. And my video is going up a little late. I was on an extended weekend away from home, but it's still going to be posted on Monday. This paper here from Maggie Holmes called Shine. I think each one of us have this same paper in our kit to use. So we have that side of the paper, and then we have this black and off-white stripe. Love this side. Or I can use cut-aparts, or I can use a little bit of both. So that's paper 1. Paper 2 is this wood grain paper. It looks like it came from a paper pad. And the opposite side is white. So we have this wood grain. Ooh, I love this ombre. And got this gorgeous branding strip. Ooh, this one is a Paige Evans from the Go the Scenic Route. Love that. Again, this is going to be a hard choice which side to use. I might have to use a little of both. Then we have Capture Life from Allison Craft. And this paper is from 2014. And it's called Capture Today. Love that pink. And then we have, what do you call that pattern? I don't know, but you could use strips and cut it. I like it for that side. Then we have this paper. I have used this paper before. Let's see. I can't remember what collection. It is from Paige Evans, Go the Scenic Route. And you can also fussy cut those flowers. Love this side. Then we have Maggie Holmes Gather. And this is called Magical. And this is the opposite side. Okay, I like this side. That's the side. Then we have this paper from Paige Evans, Go the Scenic Route. Wow, I have several papers that she put in here from the Scenic Route. We love it for both sides. Then we have Chamel. And what collection is this from? Let's flip it over. I don't know. Ooh, I like that side. And I like that side. You could use as a cut as strips. Ooh, let's go for that side. And then we have this paper here. This is another pretty paper. And this is Patio Party. And it's Painted Beetles. I'm not using that side. That just grosses me out. use it for this side. Sorry about that. Then we have Big Victory. I've not seen this paper before, and this is from a Chamel collection. I have never seen this paper nor used it, and it's called Salted Caramel. Wow, options, but I think I like that side. Then we have this paper with words that says memories are made of. This is the stuff memories are made of. I wonder if this is a Jen Hatfield. Yep. This is a Jen Hatfield, and it is from Fifth Avenue, I think, or the Avenue. And guess what? I have picked up some of these papers, but never picked this one up. I think I would use it for this side. And then we have this paper that is crepe paper from 2014. And this has hearts. Oh, I know. Does Becky have this one? So we have a couple of papers that are the same. So each of us have this paper and this paper. That's the same. So two that are the same that we get to use. Wow, look at that. And we're not done. Let's move this to the side. And now, let's see what we got in this bag. All right, we have life is, okay, we need to move it to there. I think you can read it better on that paper. Okay, we got some clear stickers that says smile about this from my heart. And then we have some larger, like life cards, embellishments, a chipboard with polka dots, some more enamel dots here. Ooh, look at that beautiful frame. Some word phrases, stay crazy, love lives here. Then we have these large words, laugh the best in summer. And journaling spots, some craft sticker tags that are kind of glossy finish. And then these are big tags and journaling areas. There's some tags, some more. There's a lot in here. Oh my. We have some chipboard pieces, and then we have this second full 12 by 12 of goodies of wood veneer, brads, buttons, some glittery enamel flowers and gold birds and pink flowers and butterflies, and we have some die cut flowers here and a bunch of tabs. Lots to choose from. Now stay tuned, don't go nowhere, because I'm going to come back with some page kits and tell you who put these together for me. Okay, I am back with 4 page kits that my husband put together using the products that Becky and Kathy sent me to use for the month of March for Mini Kit Monday. So let's start with page kit number 1. So the only instructions that I gave my husband was to select the papers first, then the embellishments. And I would go through and select the photographs to use based on the kit that he put together, the page kit that he put together. So this is page kit number 1. And he said that his inspiration 12 by 12 paper was this wood grain paper. Go figure, right? And this is what he came up with the embellishments. I am very, very proud. I will have to say that this is a peach color. And we basically have here the yellow, the browns, the greens, and orange with a pop of gold. And then, of course, we have the wood button. And here is the larger puffy buttons here, white and gold. And we have a little word phrase here, stay cozy in gold. And then we have this large wood veneer that says enjoy. Perfect. So that is the first 12 by 12 paper. Now look at this. He chose this side. I told him that I get the option to use either side, and he told me I needed to use this side and that it worked perfectly with this wood grain paper and these embellishments that he selected. And then the third paper was this side that he chose to use. Though I told him, again, I could use strips from that side, and he said, maybe you can. He said, I'll let you use the orange and the mints here. But he did really good with that page kit, I thought. And now this is going to be page kit number 3. This one I don't have too spread out yet. So we have a dolly. And let me get this stuff spread out. We have this one, but he had said, I don't know that you can incorporate that, but maybe you could use it as a mat. Then we have this pre-made dolly out of paper, and I could use either side, this side, or he told me if I wanted to add a punch of color. Look at the tag that he chose. Awesome. And then the clear strips with a little bit of that mint green. Perfect. And then for a punch of color, this is like that magenta red or pink. I love that against that. I said that was a good choice. Then to bring in an opposite color was the mint, hearts and flowers, and then this soft pink. And we have this tag. And then we have this bubble journaling spot. Then this word fearless. And then he picked out this chipboard piece says do it yourself. Another tab. This journaling spot that says hello today. This another tag, this ticket, this rickrack here, and these flowers, and then this green. Now, he also said that he didn't think that this green would work, but I could use the opposite side. And then I said, you are absolutely correct, I could. And then we have this pattern paper as one of the 12 by 12 papers. Then he chose this side, this polka dot side. And then he chose this side here. He also liked this strip here. And he liked the flower cluster right there. This was the opposite side, though he said I could use that side as well. But he didn't think the pink polka dot would work unless I matted my photographs. So we'll just keep it like this. This is how he originally selected the papers. Again, not too bad. Not too bad. I think he did really good too. Now page kit number 3. Here's page kit number 3. All right. He said I had to use the hearts here. Let's get this. So again, we have a dolly for this one, for this layout. We have the word laugh. I'm going to put that up there. And let's get this. We have this chipboard, glitter chipboard frame, which he really liked. And he liked that pop of color for the puffy stickers here, which are of flowers, birds, butterflies, and leaves. We have the paper clip. We have another word phrase, the best. We have some wood veneer hearts. We have these sticker banners that says real story. This one in purple that says hello. Oh, and don't let me forget these chipboard word pieces. This says, this place pretty please. Oh, so the first paper is from crepe paper called Kiss Kiss Love Rocks. The next paper is Capture Life Allison Craft. And then we have this bright one here from Paige Evans, Go the Scenic Route. We've got that side, and we have this side. And let me put the Page Kit 4. This is in the same order that he created them. It may not be in the same order that I will create my layout. So this is Page Kit 4. And this is what, and this says, we loved this. And actually these kind of, I know they're reading black probably to you, but they are a bluish, a deep blue kind of black color. And then we have chipboard phrases. This says sweet treats. It's a party. So he selected these 3x12 papers this side, but I may be able to mix. Oh, and we do have, I'm sorry, gold birds, leaves, and butterflies. Range to use these leftover products on any of the layouts. All right. It's going to be fun creating these layouts for Mini Kit Monday. Give us a thumbs up. Keep coming back, especially on Monday, and be sure that you check out Becky and Kathy's channel as well. I will have all the links listed below in the description box. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way, and keep coming back. Bye.